Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing and a setup video for the TileMate. The outside of the box is pretty basic, but once you open up the sleeve, you are greeted with a nice matte finish. The left side of the sleeve includes instructions for setting up the device, which are basically very straightforward. To remove the TileMate from the box, you just pop it out from its frame. A simple and nice unboxing experience. The device is roughly 3.5 by 3.5 centimeters, weighing 39 grams. So it's very small and it definitely won't add any weight to whatever you attach it to. As you can see, I have very small hands, so you can see it's scaled on my palms. I would have definitely preferred if it was thinner to slide into smaller card-only wallets, but for the type of wallet I have, which I'm guessing is the average size most people have in their pockets, this footprint is very much okay. It will comfortably fit into every compartment of my wallet and close with no problems at all. There is no annoying bulge, nor does it feel out of place. I can attach it to keys without it adding any extra weight whatsoever, just as advertised, but it does feel out of place just looking at it. The TileMate uses a replaceable lithium coin battery, specifically a CR1632 battery. This can last for a long time without needing to change it. I'm currently using my phone to record this video, so I ended up recording my screen to show you how to set up and activate your TileMate. I unfortunately will not be able to display features like ringtone and how loud it can get. A cool thing I came across while setting up the TileMate is that while choosing an everyday essential to pair with, it automatically recognizes where you attach your mate to, whether it's a key or a wallet. So if you choose a wallet and your TileMate is not inside your wallet, it actually wouldn't recognize it till you actually put the TileMate inside your wallet. The cool thing is that the mid works both ways, in that you can also use it to ring your phone and find it in a scenario where you misplaced your phone. A paid subscription will give you extra features such as a 30-day location history, smart alerts, and free annual battery replacements. The major downside of the TileMate is its build. I don't think it will survive a fall, and I'm not eager to test it out. The sound is loud enough for my testing to share when you're searching for the device, plus the app shows you how close the tile is as you get closer to it. Overall, I think this is a must-have piece of tech to have to ensure you don't misplace any of your belongings. That's it for the hands-on video, and thank you for watching.